Okay, today's gonna be a super short episode. I'm gonna be moving these episodes onto Sunday morning. Just makes more sense. Then we've got a full week for an episode. This whole Wednesday to Wednesday thing for filming, it just wasn't working. Sunday morning episodes, that's about it. All right, let's head to the shop. Visibility is poor at best. The day is here. We're going to pick up Rooster Hornblow. It just got a fresh 18-inch roof raise, and we just got the call that it's done. Look at that bus. That is an 18-inch roof raise on Rooster Hornblow. Look at that thing. What do you think, Cole? Easy?
To raise it? Wouldn't wish it on my worst enemy.
This is the roof raise behind me. I'll take you guys for a little interior tour. Look at that height. So behind me, that was the original height. This bar. I don't know if you guys can tell the height difference in here, but that's a lot of clearance above my head. Okay, now it's time to put it all back together.
Next level.
We've got a no start issue going on. I'm assuming it's going to be an emergency door. It always is. Round two. It'll go. Come on, girl. Woo! That's a start. Okay, let it warm up and back to the shop. Okay, a little bit of shop dominoes, a little shop puzzle, make everything fit. What do you think? Wow, she drives like an absolute dream.
You feel like you were gonna topple over on the highway?
No. Okay, so that was the last of our eventful week. This bus showing up, Ronnie's bus, Rooster Hornblow is its name. Rooster Hornblow is in our shop. It got a roof raise and we're starting the conversion. What else? Oh, and the partnership. So really big week, 3 big things. And now these stinkers are ready to go home, I think. Hey? Hey? All right, so Sunday morning's the new time for the vlogs. Make sure you guys are checking those out. If you have questions, fire them over. It's just gonna be a lot smoother. This is gonna allow me to do a full week on the vlog. Basically, we're gonna start Monday. You're gonna see up to about Saturday, and I'll edit Saturday, Sunday morning, and then post. That Wednesday was awful. So what was really happening is I would film Thursday, Friday, maybe a Saturday if I was doing something, and and then I'd come back Monday and I'd have no idea where I was. Full week, keep it easy. I can upload at the end of the week. Does that make sense?